नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, गुड मॉर्निंग डिअर स्टुडंट्स. सातवी सामान्य विज्ञान, पेशी रचना व सूक्ष्मजीव, सेल स्ट्रक्चर अँड मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. तर वरील सर्व उदाहरणांमध्ये आपल्याला काहीतरी बदल होताना दिसतो. We see the changes in all above examples. So, how these changes are classified and what are the types of these changes? For example, natural change, man-made change, नैसर्गिक व मानवनिर्मित बदल, useful changes and harmful changes, उपयोगी व हानिकारक बदल, reversible changes and irreversible changes, परिवर्तनीय व अपरिवर्तनीय बदल, स्लो चेंजेस अँड फास्ट चेंजेस, पिरियॉडिक चेंजेस अँड नॉन पिरियॉडिक चेंजेस, आवर्ती व अनावर्ती बदल, अँड फिजिकल चेंजेस अँड केमिकल चेंजेस, भौतिक बदल व रासायनिक बदल. लेट्स सी इन डिटेल अबाउट ऑल दीज चेंजेस. नेक्स्ट, रिव्हर्सिबल अँड इररिव्हर्सिबल चेंजेस, परिवर्तनीय व अपरिवर्तनीय बदल. आता परिवर्तनीय बदल म्हणजे काय बघा. आपण बर्फ बाहेर काढून ठेवलं, त्याचं पाणी होतं आणि पाणी ते आपण परत फ्रीज मध्ये ठेवलं तर त्याचा परत बर्फ होतो. म्हणजेच पुन्हा पुन्हा उलट सुलट क्रमाने होऊ शकणाऱ्या बदलांना परिवर्तनीय बदल असे म्हणतात. The changes that can occur in a forward and reverse direction again and again are called reversible changes. आणि अपरिवर्तनीय बदल म्हणजे काय, तर जे झालेले बदल पुन्हा पूर्ववत करता येत नाहीत त्या बदलांना अपरिवर्तनीय बदल असे म्हणतात. An irreversible change is when something cannot be changed back to its original form. For example, दुधापासून आपण दही तयार केलं. We made curd from milk. Can we make again milk from curd? Think over it. So we can convert this water into ice again into water, right? So these are reversible changes, म्हणजेच परिवर्तनीय बदल. Reversible changes, so melting some wax, right? So here solid wax is changing into liquid, so melting some wax and obtaining the solid wax again after cooling, and we can do it repeatedly. Similarly, the water is changing into ice and ice can be changed into water. So melting wax and obtaining the original solid wax or making ice from water and again water from ice, these are reversible changes. तर कागद ओला होणे, तो कागद आपण परत सुकवू शकतो. मेणाचं वितळणं, मीठ पाण्यात विरघळवणे, मीठ पाण्यात विरघळवले, आपण मीठ हे आपण उन्हामध्ये ठेवलं ते पाणी, तर त्या पाण्यापासून पुन्हा आपल्याला मीठ मिळू शकतं. तर हे जे बदल आहेत म्हणजे पुन्हा पुन्हा उलट सुलट क्रमाने होऊ शकणारे जे बदल आहेत त्यांना परिवर्तनीय बदल असे म्हणतात. The changes that can occur in a forward and reverse direction again and again are called reversible changes. So a reversible change is a change that can be undone or reversed. So orange juice can be frozen to form a solid icy pole. We can make ice cream, but when it melts, it again becomes liquid. Orange juice. Candle wax, when after heating, it becomes liquid. As soon as it cools, it becomes solid again. Similarly, when chocolate is warm, it melts and turns into liquid, but it can be turned back into a solid again by cooling. Irreversible changes. The burning of wood. You have seen this picture many times, right? So after burning this wood, we get smoke and there is a ash which left behind. Wood cannot be obtained from the ash formed by burning of the wood. So this is an irreversible change. Similarly, this is the raw mango. After some times, it will become a ripe mango which we can eat, very sweet in taste, and you liked it, right? So a ripe mango cannot be transformed back into a raw mango. After some time, if you don't use it, it is going to be rotten. So this is an irreversible change. So from the dough, cake has been made, that is baking, then making curd or cheese from the milk with the help of some bacteria, frying of an egg, and we prepare omelette, cutting of an apple, cutting of a mango, or making mortar, that is the mixture of cement powder, sand and water for the making of building. So in all these changes, there are new material or new substances are formed, and in all these changes we cannot transform back into its original form. So these are all irreversible changes. So irreversible changes, aparivartaniya badal. A change is called irreversible if it cannot be changed back again. In an irreversible change, new materials are always formed. See here, from wheat flour we get chapati, but we can't make wheat flour that or dough from the chapati. Making curd from milk, omelette, rabdi. So in all these changes, new materials are always formed. Now sometimes these new materials are useful to us. So plucking of flowers, baking chapatis, heating, burning, making curd, growth of a man, falling of leaves, all these are irreversible changes. Let's revise. Reversible changes: melting of ice, boiling of water, melting of wax, stretching of a rubber band, stretching of a spring, ironing of clothes, folding of paper, all these are reversible changes. And irreversible changes: so burning of paper, burning of fuels, cooking of food, rusting of iron, grinding of wheat grains into flour, baking of chapati, growth of a plant, formation of flower from bird or formation of fruit from flower, ripening of fruits, aging of man, all these are irreversible changes. So dear friends, there are different types of changes. Up till now, we have seen the natural and man-made changes, useful and harmful, slow and fast, and reversible and irreversible changes. In next video, we will see another types of changes. Thank you.